Hi guys, this is Igor. For the new viewers, I post daily videos before market open and news and predictions for the day, for the current day. So today is December 23rd, 2019, and here's what's happening. A very cheerful mood on Wall Street, and because everybody is preparing for the holidays and everybody is preparing for a Christmas rally. And also, Chinese ministry just said that they will lower tariffs on 850 products, import on 850 products starting January 1st. But even though the news is good, but they're lowering tariffs on products that they really need, like pork and avocados, and they're lowering tariffs on pork from 12% to 8%. And they really need pork because of the flu that killed almost like half of their pork swine population. So, and also they're lowering tariffs on some of the semiconductor components that they also really need. So you have to be careful with the what Chinese say because they're lowering tariffs on items that they actually need, and they don't lower tariffs a lot. They lower like 3-4%. It's not a lot. So that's the main news on Wall Street. And here's the stocks that I'm watching today. Well, first of all, I have to talk about S&P 500 because S&P 500 or the symbol SPY is in a oversold territory, overbought territory. I'm sorry. It's an overbought territory. It's sitting very high by historical levels, and you have to be very careful how you play this because the whole market can turn on a dime. I mean, it's been very cheerful, and we're, like I said, we're waiting for Christmas rally, but I am looking to raise some cash at this point, or to position myself for a fall, a short-term fall, but a fall. So because this is not going to continue forever, so take it or leave it. But I'm raising some cash and even buying some puts, long-term puts, because the fall is coming, and I can guarantee you that. Other stocks in the news is Tesla. Okay, Tesla is also sitting in an overbought territory, but they just announced that they will borrow $1.4 billion from Chinese bankers. Plus, they have agreed with Germany to acquire land in near Berlin to build another gigafactory. So this stock is unstoppable, and I think it will continue to go higher despite being overbought. So it will open higher, but again, it's an active stock, and it's interesting to trade it, but you have to understand that this is very high, just like the rest of the market, and you need to be you need to watch out for those levels. Even though I think it will go higher, and I would be playing with some calls today, to buy some calls or call spreads. Okay, another stock that I'm interested in today is American Airlines. Actually, I'm very bullish on airlines, and particularly on American Airlines, because they're not as exposed to Boeing deliveries of MAX 737. And as you can see, the chart looks really good. Magda crossed here. This is crossing here. I mean, we're about to cross here, so it's looking really good. And I think it's a bullish chart. And as you can see, those 2 points, 1 and 2, we passed that, went higher, went a little bit lower, and I think it will continue to go higher. Another airline that that looks good to me is LUV or Southwest Airlines, also considered to play that, but I like American actually more. Alcoa also is looking pretty good, and I will be looking to play some calls on Alcoa. Okay, the couple of bank stocks like Bank of America and JP Morgan, They look like they're overbought. They're sitting very high in overbought territory. RSI is very high. So I will be looking if you have them, maybe sell something, and but I I want to buy some puts on that, or to play it short a little bit because it might come down. So that's Bank of America and JP Morgan. So that's the wrap for today. Don't forget to sign up for my channel, like my video, and I'll see you tomorrow.